Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a requested video, how to turn braiding hair into locks. I'm going to be making these curly locks that you can see in the beginning of the video. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. I have my yarn here. I'm going to tie the string around my door as usual. So the string is here. Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you this requested video. So I'm going to loop my braiding hair as usual. I'm going to hold my braiding hair here enough like this, and then this circular part I'm going to add my fingers here inside, and then I'll pass it through to the other side, and then I'll grab the rest of my braiding hair through this circular part, and then I'll tie a knot like this. The next step, now I'm going to divide another braiding hair. So I'm using this color 1/900, and the hair I'm using is Angel's braiding hair. You can use any particular braiding hair and color that you want. I'm going to divide another braiding hair. I'll hold my hair from this part. I'm not holding it enough anymore. You see this is the hand, and now I'm going to start working with it from somewhere here. Now I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping my hair from somewhere here. So when you're wrapping this, just wrap it closer and closer and a little tighter like this. So I'm working on the first way that you can do this when you have new braiding, and then I'll show you the second way. And then when you get to a point where your braiding hair is almost over like this, now I'm going to go ahead and add another braiding hair. I'll hold my hair like this, and then I'll add it to this part here, and then I continue wrapping it downwards. So since we are going to need to extend this, we are going to go in with another braiding hair downwards to make it extra long. This is where I stopped wrapping, right? Now I go in with the piece, and then I'll braid it. So it doesn't come off. Okay, you see that? It's extended. And as you can see now, this hair is a little thicker. So when I go in with another piece that I'm going to be wrapping around, I'm going to need a thinner piece. Now I'll just start wrapping it a little upper to the part I started braiding from, downwards. I've reached the end of the length that I want. Now I'm going to bend the extra hair upwards like this, and then I'm going to now use this, the one I was wrapping. I'll just wrap it around this part that I bended. Wrap it like this. I'll pick both of the hair. I'll add this part that was left together with the one I was wrapping, and then I'll wrap both of them upwards now. And when you're wrapping the ends of your hair, do it until there's no hair left. Even if it's tiny like this, don't leave it from there. And then for the length, if you don't have something to measure the first piece that you did so they are the same. This is the hand. Don't worry about the hair sticking out. We are going to solve that problem later. Now for this second method, I'm going to use these crochet braids that I made in my previous video and installed them. They were butt length, remember? So what we are going to do is to make locks out of this. I have my hair here. I washed my hair and then I dried them. Make sure you wash your hair. And then now this is the hole I made, you remember, in my previous video. Now we are going to crochet this hair to my string here. I'll add my needle to that hole and then now we pass it through. I'm going to add the ends of my hair to the crochet needle, close the latch, and then I'll drag it through the hole like this. And then now I'm going to tighten it to form that particular knot again. Actually, this is even better if you have used braiding hair. It comes out super clean. I already started making some over here. They look really good. I have my hair here. Let me work with the black. Now you see how my hair looks. It looks a little kinky and curly. Now I'm going to tell you something else. If you have a new braiding hair, braid your braiding hair to something like this, like a braided ponytail. And then go ahead and add this hair that you braided to hot water. Let it sit there for around 10 to 15 minutes. Get it out and then dry it. After it dries, unbraid your hair. And then after you unbraid your hair, it will get kinky like this, like what I have here. So if you're using hair that you already used, it's going to be tangled at the end here. So just make sure you try to smoothen it or comb it out. Now I'll pick my hair again and then I'll hold it from here. I'm going to wrap this longer piece around. I'll do it twice. Now that's the second time, and now the third time, you see this hair here, this shorter one, I'm going to bend it upwards like this. Now you see how this looks. Now this longer part, I'm going to wrap it around this shorter piece too, not only the braid but also the shorter hair that I passed to the other side of the string, just to secure it over there. Now I'm done with my locks. Now you see how a little hairy they look. So what I'm going to do is to try to trim them with a scissor. So after shaving my locks, now this is what I have here. If you bought locks in your usual boutique or wherever you buy your hair, you've seen this kind of locks before. where there is a hair that is left behind. You can decide to cut this hair. It won't interfere with the locks actually. So we are going to be wrapping this hair around my natural hair so that it's neat. These ones are the ones that I didn't leave any hair, and now this is the tiny hole that I usually leave behind. So here it is. So let me show you the length. That's super long. I have my milk straw here. In my other video, someone asked me where you can find these milk straws. In a supermarket or in your local shop. You can even use the transparent one, they just work fine. And then I have my yarn here, or my string. The first thing I'm going to do is to secure my straw to my lock here with my yarn. Now after that, I'm just going to wrap my lock around my straw. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my yarn again to secure the end of my lock here, and then I'll secure it to the straw. If you don't do this, this will unravel again, and then you'll have to repeat the process. And then you wrap it down until the end, and then we push them together again so they are closer. I have my bucket here. I'm going to go ahead and add in my hot water. And then I have my conditioner here. I'm going to add in some. It seems I'll need a little more water. I want the water to cover them. I'll let them sit here for at least 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'll remove them and hang them outside until they're dry. My hair is now dry. Now this is how my lock looks. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, the curls, the curls. Now that I'm done, this is how my hair looks. I have these packs here. I'm actually talking about this because someone asked me in the other video that I did where you can find this packaging. For me, I always just pack my hair with the packets that I removed my hair from. I just want to let you see how it looks when it's packed. I'll first arrange them nicely, and then we are going to use a rubber band to tie them up. And then I have my glitter ropes here. And now this is how my hair looks when packed. If you haven't checked out my other lock tutorial, check it out on my channel, the straight locks that I did a few months ago. The video is doing quite well, and when you're there, subscribe so you can get me to 1k subscribers. You guys, you come around and watch my videos, and then you potea. You get lost. Whoever requested this video is going to be quite happy. I can't wait to install this hair on myself. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked today's video, and kindly subscribe to support me to get to 1000 subscribers. And you can check out my other DIY hair tutorials. I have a bunch of braids tutorial up on my channel. Check out my kinky curls tutorial. I have 2 tutorials on that. And check out my vlogs and all my other videos and my playlist. I don't know, there's nothing I'm forgetting, right? And thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.